Guess what? I'm working again. We had an issue. This deck was 40 something inches high, and this particular stair step tread is the longest one they generally have at Lowe's, Home Depot, or Menards, that kind of thing. This would not be enough for the situation, so I had to make some like this. So I thought I'd show you how I do it, and I'm sure there's guys that are capable of making them way fancier. Now I have a 2 by 12 by 8 foot here, and I just lay this thing right here, get that point right to the end, right like that, and then I line up the back straight along here, and I take a pencil and mark like this. Now, one thing you should know is you want to cut the line. You don't want to leave the line, because that would make it wider. We need more steps, so just what? Line it up again on the back. Now, we found out by doing those that we need 8 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just long enough. 8 foot is long enough. So also we found out that we need only 3 inches, not 6 inches on the bottom. We'll take a straight piece here. Now, we're going to cut all this with a saw to the corner. I'm not going to go past it and make it weaker. And then we'll take a Sawzall and we'll cut to that corner. And we'll end up with looking like that. Now, you can keep doing this in 16-foot lengths on 2 by 10s. It'd be quite expensive on 2 by 12s rather. But you can then put a board on the back side to support it. So you can extend the board on like so and keep on extending it. That's an awful long wooden setup, and you'd want to support it in addition to this. But just in case you want to make a really long step, this is something that you can do with very, very little skill. And again, I want to remind you, cut the line. Don't leave the line, because that line is on the outside of what we measured, we used for a template. Hope that helps, guys. See you later.